All right, everyone, welcome back to another solutions video. In this one, we're going to be working at question 2A and B, where we're going to look for duplicates in a string and determine what's the most letter in a string. So here we go. Let's get our input here. We're going to get a word, input to our string, some processing, output for now. So we're going to look at duplicate character first, and we're going to tweak that program so that we can find the most used letter. Okay. So we're going to create duplicates, and we're going to be an empty string. And what I'm going to do is just loop through um, the string word here, and then if I find a duplicate, I'm going to add it onto this as long as I didn't add it before. So if I do for, let's call it C for character in word. And then what we're going to do is going to say if word count C is greater or equal to, and C not in duplicates, right? Because I don't want to add it twice. We're going to go duplicates plus equal C. I'm going to add that if the count of it is greater than or equal to 2, and we haven't added that character inside duplicates yet. Okay, and let's do a little print statement, duplicate. So, in this example here, if I had hello world, right, both L and O are duplicates because L happened 3 times, O happened twice, therefore those characters are duplicates. In this manner, what I'm going to do is now determine the most used letter in a string. We're going to tweak this so that we find the most used letter. Most used letter. We're going to keep that as empty because we haven't found it. And we're going to have a counter equal to 0. Okay. We'll leave that alone. Just add another if condition there to help us find the most used letter. So if dot count, actually no, let's call this current count. I don't want to run that twice. Set that equal to word count, current count. So if current count is greater than our current counter, we're going to set counter to current count, update that value, and most letter will be the current letter. Okay. So anytime we find a greater count value than our tracking counter, we're going to update the counter and update the most used letter as that character as well. So we can print the most used character in its best. Got some formatting here. Word is most used letter. Okay, so let's run this one. Let's try with hello world again. Great, things will say that the most used character in hello is L. Okay. So we can use these if statements and use the count feature to help us count how many certain characters exist. And if you want to not add it into a string twice, we can just use a not in so that we can only add it in just once to make sure that there's at least one instance of it. Right, and this is just classic from unit 1 where we're updating a variable as long as it needs them. Thank you for watching and stay classy.